Hello and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are well. We're back in London again. We're on episode 3 of our London A to Z, which means it's the letter C. And I had a lot of options for the letter C. I had a lot of suggestions as well, so thank you very much. There was Carnaby Street, Camden, Chinatown. I could have gone to Cockfosters, Caledonian Road, you name it, I could have been there. But I decided to come to somewhere that I've been before once and had a bit of a failure to see if I could make amends, and that is Canary Wharf. As I said, there's lots of options with the letter C. I could have gone to Camden, I could have gone to Chinatown, both of which I've done before, by the way. But I did decide to come here, like I said, because I'd had a failure before and I thought I wanted to try and make amends. Plus, you know, if you go to a lot of very similar street places, all these videos are going to be quite the same. So this is definitely somewhere different. Now, what have I got with me today? I've got my Sony A7R III and I've got my Pentax 28mm f3.5 prime lens. Now the reason I've picked this is because it's the widest prime lens I've got. I could have gone for the 24-105, which is what I use for my landscape photography, but I thought it might be a bit big and a bit bulky, and I hear that security are a bit tight around here sometimes with people taking videos and making videos and taking photos. So I thought I'd come and be a little bit more discreet with this lens. Not a lot more discreet, but it's enough. Anyway, I'll stick the GoPro on the camera now and we'll wander around and see what shots we can get. Right, let's have a little look around and see what we can find. I'm not going to lie, I very nearly got off the tube and got straight back on it again because, yeah, this is a bit out of my comfort zone, but I thought, yeah, let's give it a go, why not? Pigeon, another pigeon, hello Pidge. There's an awful lot of security around. I don't know whether I'm supposed to be shooting here or not. I know this is classed as private land, I think, but should be fine. God, it's cold. I might have to put my gloves on. Whew. Gloves. Time for some gloves. Quite nice light and reflections going on here. I have to say the buildings really are spectacular, absolutely amazing. Still more going up, look over there. Some more going up. It's not even finished, that one, is it? I'd imagine this place changes. So there's another one there that's going up, and over there. I'd imagine this place changes so quickly. I don't want to revert to type here and take an awful lot of meaningless building shots. I do want to get some people in. Let's have a look over this bridge. ever the wildlife photographer in me, that you can see that cormorant there sitting on top. I think that's a cormorant. That looks cool, doesn't it, over there? Another upgrade from the standard pigeon. With these golf clubs in the middle of London. I really want to find this bridge or whatever it is that's all multicoloured. Just to let you know, I'm shooting at f8. I'm shooting at f8 because I've got manual focus. A few times when I've been out before, I've missed focus shooting at the wider apertures. Oh, there's that bridge. So I'm shooting at f8 at the moment. Look at the lines in here. See, this is a lovely place. Look at that in the middle. They're quite cool. That father and son down the end there. Look, right down the very end. Right down the very end. Perfect. As per usual, just standing here waiting for someone to come into the shot. Seems to be the thing I do a lot. I quite like that. Walk up a bit when the sun comes out. Could really do with someone walking down here. That's cool. What a cool bridge that is, right. I think we'll take a little wander back. This looks interesting. Look on the other side of this water and we get some reflections. absolutely spot on that. Thank you very much. Well, that was Canary Wharf and the surrounds. I feel like I've exercised a few demons here actually, because I was a bit, last time I came I did really struggle, but today, especially towards the end, I feel like I've got some really nice shots. I'm going to go off and probably take a few more architectural sort of abstracts before I go, which I'll pop up at the end for you. But yeah, I've really enjoyed that, and I want to say thanks ever so much for taking the time to watch. My numbers have dropped off a cliff at the moment. I'm not quite sure why, probably because I'm not very interesting, but yeah, thank you for continuing to support my channel. It's really genuinely appreciated, and I will keep making these for you, even if there's only one of you out there watching. So, but yeah, thanks so much. Next time we'll be on to the letter D. I've got a couple of ideas lined up for that, but some places I've never been to before and have absolutely no idea about, so that should be interesting. Anyway, until then, I want to say again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll leave you with some of the images that I'll get on my way back, which could be, like I said, some architectural abstracts. Anyway, thanks for watching and goodbye.